Okay, VPC Flow Logs use cases. Let's talk about them.
Yes, let's. Some of the most impactful use cases for VPC Flow Logs are troubleshooting, performance monitoring, security, and cost optimization.
I like saving money.
Don't we all? Okay, first up is troubleshooting connectivity. You may have experienced a network connection acting a little finicky.
Oh yeah, countless times.
VPC Flow Logs provide real-time visibility into your network throughput. By filtering logs by specific VMs or applications and looking at fields like bytes sent and packets sent, you can quickly pinpoint where traffic might be dropping or experiencing issues.
That's gonna save me a lot of headaches. Okay, what's next?
Next is performance monitoring.
Ah yes, latency is such a killer.
VPC Flow Logs give you insights into network performance, especially with the RTT MSEC field for TCP flows. This data allows you to analyze traffic saturation, optimize workload placement, and even forecast capacity needs for your network resources.
Oh, that'll make my application snappy. Okay, what's next?
Security monitoring. VPC Flow Logs are an industry standard best practice for security monitoring. They help you monitor threats like malware, crypto mining, and even outgoing denial of service attacks.
That's great. So if an incident occurs, what do you do?
You can quickly examine which IPs talked with whom, when, and identify suspicious traffic patterns or compromised IPs. They can even integrate with security information and event management systems via real-time streaming APIs for continuous monitoring and alerts.
Okay, last one. Data transfer can be a significant cost in the cloud, so cost optimization. Talk to me.
VPC Flow Logs allow you to understand higher cost traffic patterns, such as traffic between regions and zones, or to remote geographic areas. By analyzing these patterns using fields like geographic details and instance details, you can make informed changes to your deployment to optimize workloads and reduce your cloud bill.
Wow, from diagnostics to defense to dollars. VPC Flow Logs are a pretty good tool to have in your Google Cloud toolkit.
They sure are. They provide the raw data you need to run a smarter, more efficient, and more secure network.
All this data is great, but is there an easier way to display it to make sense of it all?
There absolutely is, and we'll cover that in the next video.